Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be the bridge between languages? To stand in the middle of a conversation and make sure nothing gets lost in translation? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of interpretation. It's more than just knowing two languages. It's about understanding culture, nuance, and thinking on your feet. Scene cuts to the confused learner, looking frustrated while listening through headphones. We've all been there, right? Trying to learn a new language, listening to a podcast or a lecture, and suddenly, you're completely lost. It feels like the words are just flying past you. Yes. This is where interpretation becomes so crucial. It's not just for big international conferences. It helps students, travelers, and professionals connect and understand each other every single day. Scene cuts to the fast-talking native, speaking very quickly and with lots of gestures. Now, imagine trying to interpret for this guy. Native speakers often talk a mile a minute, using slang, idioms, and cultural references. As an interpreter, your brain has to work in overdrive. You're not just translating word for word. You're capturing the energy, the intent, and the full meaning behind what's being said, all in real time. It's a mental workout like no other. Scene cuts to the global speaker, presenting confidently in a business setting. In today's globalized world, clear communication is the key to success. From sealing a business deal to sharing groundbreaking research, interpreters ensure that language is a gateway, not a barrier. Okay? They empower brilliant minds from all over the world to share their ideas and collaborate effectively. Okay? It's a powerful responsibility, connecting diverse voices and making sure everyone has a seat at the table. Scene cuts back to the interpreter, smiling. So, the next time you see an interpreter at work, remember the incredible skill and mental agility it takes. They are the unsung heroes of communication, weaving words together to create understanding. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding profession that truly connects our world. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content.